Hello everyone, welcome to Great Luck by Usman. I am your engineer Usman. In this video we will explore the real work happening on construction site. Actually we're discussing about the swimming pool construction. Today I am going to explain what is actually happening in the site. I will show you the actual site conditions, starting from the swimming pool layout. You can already see in this video, this is the layout actually. Okay, I will share you the real site photos, explain what is actually happening, and what are the means, the technical details or things which we should consider, or we should not do any mistake. There are so many things which we should not do at site. So if you're interested in civil engineering, site execution and practical construction knowledge, then this channel is for you. Let's start today, walk through and understand everything step by step up to the swimming pool steelworks. So in this one, the first photo is showing the layout of the swimming pool area. So this part is showing the external boundaries of the swimming pool. Okay, and this is actually we are showing just the steps, and then this part is showing the slope. Okay, next if we go, okay, so once this thing is done, then we need to start with the excavation works. Then we will just do the excavation up to the required level. Okay, this is the actually the pump room layout which we mark the boundary, and this part we have to do the excavation. So this is the part of the swimming pool which we did excavation. Okay, and this is the area of the pump room which I have shown you earlier. This part we did the excavation. Okay, now our guys will, once the excavation is done up to desired level, we will measure the level. If you see, there is a line dory here by which we are measuring the actual level. Once this is done, we need to make it wet for the compaction actually, so the pores. Once this thing is done, will start with the excavation, the compaction. We will use the roller compactor, we can use the plate compactor. So plate compactor is best here. We will start with this part. This part is also compacted, and there is one opening here. You can see it's actually like a sump pit area for the swimming pool pump room. Like this we have make the sump pit. Okay, and then this part is remaining for the pump room placement. So once this thing is done, a compaction is done up to desired compacted level, then we will do the field test. We will do the compaction test, we will go for the field density test, proctor test. Okay, once this is done, we will do the testing in the deep area, in the shallow area, and in the pump room area we will do the field test also, compaction. Okay, this is a photo for the deep area, and we did already here in this one. Once this is done, this thing is approved, we will do the excavation for the trenches for our base drain pipes only. So if you see this part, this is the swimming pool part, that is shallow. This is the slope showing here. This is the deep area. There are two base drains are coming here, and which we show here like piping is going from here. Okay, so now after this, once this thing everything done, we have to keep the area wet. Okay, and then we need to install the polythene sheet. Once the polythene sheet is done and the foam work is done here around the boundary, then we will do the PCC we will do, and we will do the we will keep it wet for the so the no cracks will come. Okay, and then this is the swimming pool pump room area which we did the PCC, we did the polythene sheet here, and then this is the sump pit area when we make the foam work, and then we will do the PCC here also. So once the PCC is done, it is ready. So after this we can start with the block works. This is the block work for the boundary we are starting. So this is the second photo after next day. Okay, so once the block is done, then we will go for the primer. This is the primer application. This is the channel area, infinite area. I will explain you later this thing, and then this primer application will be done here. Once the primer is done, we have to do in the pump room area also. Once the primer is done, then we need to ask the inspector to come for the inspection. He will check for the pores and everything he needs to check. Once this thing is approved, we can start with the SBS membrane. Once the SBS membrane is done, we need to go for the protection board. This is the protection board installation after the SBS membrane. So this is during the photos, during the execution works, you can say. Once this thing is done, we will start with our steel works. This is the team. They are working for the bending the steel as per the requirements. They started in the steel yard. So this is like a shifting process. We are shifting the steel from here to there. People is lifting in the putting the in the forks in the boom loader. Okay, then when this thing is shifted here, then we will start with the steel works. So this one you can say layer by layer. There is a 150 mm spacing. This is the 12 mm steel with 150 mm spacing. So it is 2 layers steel here in this one. This is about same. People are working here for this one. This is the steel works which is going on. So if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.